posting campaign finance reports to a municipal website. The campaign finance law requires local election officials to scan and post campaign finance reports to their municipal websites. Reports should be posted in a convenient location on the municipal website, usually on the city or town clerk's page. Statutory requirements. The law requires campaign finance reports to be posted within 30 days of a filing deadline. Reports with more than $1,000 in activity must be posted, but OCPF highly recommends posting all reports that are filed. How long should they remain on the website? Reports should remain on the website until December 31st, 6 years after the relevant election.